can I open a bank account in Costa Rica? Of course. We need bank accounts in Costa Rica. Not complicated at all to open a bank account in Costa Rica. But just like buying a piece of property, Costa Rica is very adamant about knowing where the money is coming from. So when you open a bank account in Costa Rica, they're going to want to know. They're going to want to see your tax returns. They're going to want to see your bank statements. They're going to want to know where the money is coming from and why do you need a bank account in Costa Rica. If you're not coming to Costa Rica, if you don't live in Costa Rica, if you don't have a property in Costa Rica, why would you be putting money in a bank in Costa Rica? So they're just going to ask some very pertinent questions that are very fair. They just want to know that your money is clean and legit and that there's a reason for you to be banking in Costa Rica. After that, it's like anything else. Takes a couple hours of sitting at the bank, setting up the account, filling out paperwork, signing signature cards, and then voila, you have your debit card and off you go.